Hey everybody, it's Bruce here with Traveling with Bruce. Welcome to my channel. Today's video is all about some of the do's and don'ts you're supposed to watch out for on a cruise ship. I'm going to give you some tips here of what not to do so that you can save yourself some money and maximize your enjoyment of your cruise. You've been working hard to save for your cruise. You finally made it on board. Don't blow it by doing some of these bonehead moves. This first one right here, do not eat the hot dogs and the french fries as your primary meal of the day. Don't do it. Also, don't get pizza. Oh no, even though they're free, don't eat pizza on a cruise ship. You eat pizza at home. You eat hot dogs at home. You eat hot dogs at a baseball game. You're on a cruise ship. Don't be eating stuff like this. Chicken fingers and fries. What are you, nuts? No, 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 no. This is in your freezer. You can have this anytime you want when you get back home. When you're on a cruise ship, you eat here. You go to the main dining room. It could look like this. It could look like this. You're going to be surrounded in splendor and all the finery that you deserve because you've saved and scrimped to make it onto this cruise. You deserve nothing but the best, and you must allow these people to spoil you rotten and get you what you want. Because here's what a breakfast can look like inside the main dining room. They'll bring this to you. How about lunch or dinner? These are the kinds of meals you don't make at home. These are the kinds of foods that when you go to a restaurant in your hometown, you're dropping $20, $30, $40, $50 each to buy at a restaurant. On the cruise, it's all included. Go to the main dining room, check the menu every day, and enjoy yourself. That's what you're here for. Don't get caught in the buffet line and eat this food that's been made in bulk and it gets cold by the time you get it to your plate and onto your table. No, 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 no. Second tip, jewelry stores. Don't buy expensive jewelry on cruise ships, especially on the first or second day. If there's something on the cruise ship that you like that kind of catches your eye, wait until the second last day or the last day of the cruise, and you may find there may be a deal on some of this stuff. Internet. Be careful about the internet. The Wi-Fi now is wireless. Almost all the cruise lines have it. Make sure you get a package. Don't get caught just paying the regular rate. Drinks. Watch out. You might be better off paying a la carte prices by buying them one at a time. You might be better off getting a drink package. But don't just willy-nilly start ordering, because when you get the bill at the end of the one-week cruise, you might have a $1,500 bill waiting for you that is just a little heavier than you thought. Drink packages are a good deal if you can utilize them, but there are times where even the drink package doesn't make sense. You're better off just ordering a drink one at a time. Don't forget, a lot of cruise lines will allow you to bring a bottle of wine per adult onto the ship. Head to your Costco, pick up a couple of bottles of wine, and enjoy some nice beverages in your cabin. These Faster to the Fun Pass early boarding specials, they may not be all they're cracked up to be. You have to get on the ship anyway. Why be in a hurry? And don't forget, as a shareholder of the cruise line, if you think about it, you can get a credit for your cruise, a cabin credit for every cruise you take because you're a shareholder of the cruise line. I hope some of these tips helped you. They're just common sense tips. You paid enough to get on the ship. Once you're there, don't blow it by spending too much money when you really don't have to. The water is blue and beautiful. The beaches are waiting for you. Enjoy yourself. Join me Monday to Friday, 5 o'clock Eastern, Saturdays at 2 Eastern, and subscribe to my channel today. We love talking cruise ships 6 days a week. Love to have you come by. Take care, everybody. We'll see you next time.